Hi, I'm Haley with Pioneer Library System, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make polymer clay earrings in your Hogwarts House colors. So you'll need a few items to make your earrings. Obviously we will need polymer clay, which you can get at any craft store in any variation of colors. Today we're going to be making some Gryffindor earrings. You'll also need something the size of a toothpick to poke holes in the earrings so that we can put our jumper rings through, which will connect the top and the bottom of the earrings. We'll also need backs that you can get at any craft store to glue onto the back of the earring to actually put it into your ear. This is just a cake top that I'm using because you need a hollow sphere to cut out the top of the earring, and then you'll just need a rolling pin to smooth out your polymer clay so that you can work with it. So you're just going to cut off a little piece of the clay, and you're going to warm it up in your hands. Depending on the brand, some are softer than others. This is already pretty soft. Some brands are not. Some brands require you to hold them for a really long time. You can microwave them for just a few seconds. What we're going to do is try to get it smooth. And then from here, I'm going to start trying to roll it out so that I can get the shape and thickness that I want. Because ultimately, I want to make this nice U-shape earring. So from here, I've already rolled out the yellow. I'm just going to put the yellow inside of the red one and kind of move it around based on the shape. There's going to be a little imperfections, which is fine. Kind of mold them together a little bit. And then from here, depending on how much length you want, you can cut them to whatever length you want. Again, you can make them shorter, you can make them longer, you can make the arch smaller. It's kind of up to you. Okay, so from here, you're gonna have a little bit left over, probably. I cut mine a little bit shorter, but again, it's kind of just on your preference. But with the leftovers, we're gonna make the top of the earring. So I'm just gonna use my pin roller to roll it out a little bit so that I can use this little cake topper to cut out the middle. So you can leave these one solid color, or I'm going to show you how you can also make two-toned ear toppers. Again, it's your preference. So again, you can use the excess clay to go ahead and make two red ones or two yellow ones, but I'm going to show you how to make two-toned toppers. We'll just cut them down the middle and then attach them to each other and smooth them out, and then just bake them like this. But again, your preference. So from here, this is how, if you made the two-tone, they'll turn out. From here, we actually need to make little holes at the top of the earrings and the bottom of the top of the earrings. So I'm going to be using a toothpick for this because it allows me to kind of manipulate the size of it a little bit better without potentially ripping the clay. So you're going to make a little hole towards the top and just kind of swirl it a little bit so that it's large enough that you can actually stick the jumper ring through it. And the same thing on here, but you're going to do the bottom of this one. Kind of swirl it around a little bit. And then repeat on the other side. So from here, you'll just need a pan to put it in the oven and parchment paper so that it actually doesn't stick to the pan. And it depends on the brand. These need to be baked in the oven at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. But again, depends on the brand. Some are at lower temperatures, longer time spans. It just depends. It'll always say on the packaging though, how long you need to bake them for. So, okay, from here, once they're out of the oven, you let them cool for a little bit, and we're gonna put the jump ring through it. So you're just gonna thread it through both holes, and then you should be able to close it with your hands, but if not, you can always use needle nose pliers to get them fully closed. So then lastly, you're just gonna glue the post onto the back. I'm using E6000. It adheres to the back of the clay pretty well. So you just put some glue on the post and stick it towards the top of the back of the earring. And then you're done. Once you let the glue dry, you should be good to go to wear your house colors with pride. If you're interested in more information about polymer clay jewelry or just polymer clay art in general, we do have quite a few resources available for you on Hoopla. But happy crafting, and thank you for watching this video.